Hello, welcome to TCL Tutorials. Set up your TV with an Android phone or tablet? If you have a Google account already, click Yes, or Skip if you don't. We chose Skip. Find your home Wi-Fi and log in. If you want to log into your Google account, click Sign In. If you don't, click Skip. Terms of service will show up. Read all of them separately and click Accept. Decide if you want to share your location to improve your experience. If you want to improve Android performance by automatically sending diagnostics information, click Yes. Name your TV the way it helps you recognize it. Helpful if you have more than one Android TV in your home or when you connect it from other devices. Go through welcoming slides. Choose Home Environment. Set up your country to provide the local time, climate, and more information. Terms and conditions. Read it and click I agree. Read Privacy Notice and click I agree. Mark agreements that you agree with and click Next. Cookie Notice. Read and click I agree. Channel installation. Choose Tuner mode and type. Verify settings and click Start Now. Your Android TV is ready to work. Done. Thank you for watching. If you want to get more information, visit us at tcl.com.